Hello everyone! Start off by making two ponytails on either side, divided into two parts, add a rubber band in the middle of it. After this middle division, begin to make a braid out of the hair and then tie a rubber band to the bottom. Now we'll lift them both up and then tie it together to make it look like a bow. Adjust it as need be and spread it out, add a decorative clip to it. Next, start off by adding some hairspray to the hair. Now, take a small section of the hair from the top, make one braid out of it and then divide it into two braids as such. Now, add a rubber band to the base of it, join it at the bottom to make it like a heart. Join this at the bottom and then make ponytails out of it, and then afterwards make multiple sections and puff out each of these sections. Next, we'll start off by taking the top section of the hair, add a rubber band to it and then divide it into two parts. Make two braids out of this, join it together at the back in a ponytail, and then make two braids out of it, lift it up and tie it in its place. Add a decorative bow to it. Next, we'll start off by taking the top section of the hair, add some hairspray to the hair as such, and then afterwards begin to make a braid out of this. As you progress with this, include more and more sections of the hair into this braid. Make sure that you put it firmly and tightly as such. Slightly twist it as you progress with it to make it all the more firm. As you can see, we are going slowly so that we also do it firmly. Now, as you progress with it, you may make a normal braid once you reach the side, and then once you reach the bottom, make sure that you tie it up in place. Add a rubber band in order to fasten it in its place. Once you reach the bottom and tie your rubber band, you may roll it up, and then on top of this, add a decorative rubber band to it as such. This will be the final look. Now for our next hairdo, we'll start off by making the zigzag pattern in the hair and separating the hair into two parts. Tie a ponytail on either side. Now add a rubber band, make two sections out of both ponytails, and then roll it in on itself in both of the middle sections. Lift it up and tie it up, and then make four braids at the bottom. Next, we'll start off by sectioning out the front of the hair, add a rubber band to it, now add a rubber band in the middle as well. Roll the hair in on itself through this middle section, lift it up and then tie it up. Now make multiple sections out of the top and the bottom as such, add decorative bows all throughout. Next, we'll start off by adding some hairspray to the hair, comb it into place, then section out the front of the hair. Now afterwards, make sections within this. Now roll the hair in on itself through these sections and then make a braid out of it, join the braids together as such. Make a braid at the back and then use a butterfly clip to fasten it in place. Next, start off by combing the hair into place. Make four sections out of the hair where you make two braids in the front as such. Join both the braids as such and then join it to the ponytails at the back. Add decorative rubber bands. Next, we'll start off by making about 5 sections of the hair in the front, or you may make 4 of them, 2 on either side. Join the two together into one, roll the hair in on itself through the section, join it all together into a ponytail. Now add a decorative rubber band on top of it as such and adjust it as need be. Start off by tying a ponytail to the hair, then take a bun stick, roll it around this ponytail hair from the bottom to the top. Now roll it around into a circular shape, adjust the hair around it accordingly. Use a rubber band around it as such and then add some decorative clips all around. Start off by tying a ponytail to the hair, then add these decorative beads to it. Now, using these beads as a section, slowly begin to make a braid out of the hair as such. These should be consisted of, that is, the bead should be a part of 2 sections of your braid. Now continue to do